Hello friends, today I'm going to introduce you to my new invention that I made. This used to be a place where I put my googly eyes in, but that doesn't matter now. This is what I made, and I put my favorite slimes in here, and I'm going to introduce you to each one. So this one is my green slime. Sorry about that. Okay, so it's like this. Very nice, smooth. This is one of my favorites, actually. Next one is the same maker. It's pink. It's very cute color. And then the next one's my favorite color, blue. This one's one of the more stretchy kinds. Okay. And then this is one that I made actually. I put all the beads inside and the glitter. Trying to make a bubble, but it doesn't work right now. Okay. And then this one is the smooth purple, my favorite color. It has these little balls in. Okay, and the next one is my one that I made, but it has too much glitter, so I'm actually not sure why I put this one here. It's not my favorite, actually. Yeah, okay. And then these ones are more like putty, kind of. This one is super awesome sand slime. And this one's cloud slime. Feels like cloud, even though cloud doesn't have any feeling. This one's kind of wet. Supposing it's wet. Yeah, this one's too similar. Yeah, it's very wet. I hate it when these balls get away. Okay, and this is some putty here. Ooh. Some nice blue putty. Can't take it off. That's fine. And this is very fuzzy slime. Yes, this one you should get. And this one is another slime. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, and this one, oh, it has a little flower in it. So pretty. It's totally my style. Okay, this one smells like gummy bears. Pretty color. And this one's this purple one. Wow, look how much it stretches. Oops. Okay. And this one has these little things in it. Wow, so nice. This one is one that I made. Looks kind of magical. And this is another glitter invasion. It's obvious. Okay, and this is some more putty. Thinking putty, yeah, that's it. Yeah, they're very nice. Let me see if you can zoom in so you can see it. Okay, one of my favorites. Oh yeah, here's some more putty. And let's see, these are jelly slimes. Whoa, I love jelly slime. Oh, this one's pretty. And these are all my slimes. And to be honest, my favorite ones are all of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a better day than me. Goodbye.